For this college dorm room chemistry experiment, we will be doing an experiment on solubility. For this experiment, you will need 2 clear cups or bottles. I don't have access to glass cups, so I'm using plastic water bottles. You will also need sodium bicarbonate or baking soda and some sucrose or just sugar. I'm using granulated sugar. Any kind of sugar will work. You also need some water. The temperature does change the solubility of things. So for this experiment, we're going to fill these bottles halfway up with sink water and let it sit for 30 minutes just so it's really room temperature. Room temperature is about 25 degrees Celsius or 77 degrees Fahrenheit, give or take. Here I have the bottles labeled sugar and baking soda. I did measure this. They are equal. A bottle holds 16.9 fluid ounces. This is half. What I measured was 8 ounces. So it is about half, a little less. After having waited the appropriate amount of time, make sure that these bottles of water are room temperature. You will add a spoonful of both baking soda into one and then a spoonful of sugar into the other. And since I can't stir these, I'm just gonna shake them until all of the ingredient is dissolved. I now have a spoonful of sugar in the left bottle and a spoonful of baking soda in the right. And now I will shake them both. Shook them both until they dissolved. Now I'll add another spoonful of each into each and see how that looks. Right now there's no precipitate. And shake one more time. So the sugar after 2 spoonfuls is completely dissolved, whereas the baking soda after just 2 already has precipitate in it. After letting it settle, you can see that there is a good deal of baking sodium precipitate at the bottom of this bottle. This was a quick and easy in-dorm experiment to show solubility. The sodium bicarbonate has the lower solubility than, of course, the sugar in water does.